Welcome to UK Learnings. After watch this video, please subscribe to our channel to give us your support. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get upcoming videos. Good luck for your exam.
What should you do when you're moving off from behind a parked car? A. Look around after moving off. B. Look around before you move off. C. Use the exterior mirrors only. D. Give a signal after moving off. The correct answer is B. Look around before you move off. Explanation. Before moving off from behind a parked car, you should use all the mirrors to check that the road is clear. Look around to check the blind spots and give a signal if it's necessary to warn other road users of your intentions. Which road surface may cause anti-lock brakes to be less effective? A. A loose surface. B. A good surface. C. A dry surface. D. A firm surface. The correct answer is A. A loose surface. Explanation. If the road surface is loose, it's possible for the loose surfaces to slide over each other. A vehicle's tires may grip the surface layer, but this may slide across a lower layer. An anti-lock braking system would be less effective in this situation. Your vehicle is fitted with anti-lock brakes. How should you use your brakes to stop quickly in an emergency? A. Brake firmly and pump the brake pedal on and off. B. Brake rapidly once, and immediately release the brake pedal. C. Brake rapidly and firmly, without releasing the brake pedal. D. Brake gently and pump the brake pedal on and off. The correct answer is C. Brake rapidly and firmly, without releasing the brake pedal. Explanation. On vehicles fitted with an anti-lock braking system, it's generally recommended that, once you've applied the brake, you keep your foot firmly on the pedal until you've stopped. Releasing the brake and reapplying it will momentarily disengage the anti-lock braking system and may increase your stopping distance. You've just taken some cough medicine given to you by a friend. What should you do before you drive your car? A. Check the label to see if the medicine could affect your driving. B. Drive a short distance to see if the medicine is affecting your driving. C. Ask your friend if taking the medicine affected their driving. D. Drink some strong coffee 1 hour before driving. The correct answer is A. Check the label to see if the medicine could affect your driving. Explanation. Never drive if you've taken medicine without first checking what the side effects might be. Many over-the-counter medicines carry a warning that they may cause drowsiness. They can affect your judgment and perception, and therefore your ability to drive safely. What should you do if a dashboard warning light comes on while you're driving? A. Continue if the engine sounds all right. B. Check out the problem quickly and safely. C. Hope that it's just a temporary electrical fault. D. Deal with the problem when there's more time. The correct answer is B. Check out the problem quickly and safely. Explanation. Make sure you know what the different warning lights mean. An illuminated warning light could mean that your car is unsafe to drive. Don't take risks. If you're not sure about the problem, get a qualified mechanic to check it. What would be invalidated if the car you're driving doesn't have a valid MO certificate? A. The vehicle's excise license. B. The vehicle's service record. C. The vehicle's insurance. D. The vehicle's registration document. The correct answer is C. The vehicle's insurance. Explanation. If your vehicle requires an MO certificate, it's illegal to drive it without one. As well as being illegal, the vehicle may be unsafe for use on the road and your insurance may be invalid. You're waiting at a T-junction. What should you do if you see a vehicle coming from the right with its left indicator flashing? A. Wait until the vehicle starts to turn in. B. Move out and accelerate hard. C. Move out slowly. D. Pull out before the vehicle reaches the junction. The correct answer is A. Wait until the vehicle starts to turn in. Explanation. Take care if a vehicle is approaching from the right and giving a left signal. The driver may have forgotten to cancel the signal or may wish to stop just past the junction. Don't emerge until you're sure of their intentions. What should you do when you're driving on a motorway and you miss the exit that you wanted to take? A. Carry on to the next exit. B. Carefully reverse on the hard shoulder. C. Carefully reverse in the left-hand lane. D. Make a U-turn at the next gap in the central reservation. The correct answer is A. Carry on to the next exit. Explanation. It's against the law to reverse, cross the central reservation or drive against the traffic flow on a motorway. If you've missed your exit, leave the motorway at the next exit. You can either rejoin the motorway in the opposite direction or find another route to your destination. Your vehicle gets a puncture while you're driving on the motorway. What should you do when you've stopped safely on the hard shoulder or in an emergency refuge area? A. Use the emergency telephone to call for assistance. B. Try to wave down another vehicle for help. C. Change the wheel yourself. D. Only change the wheel if you have a passenger to help you. The correct answer is A. Use the emergency telephone to call for assistance. Explanation. If you have to stop on the hard shoulder of a motorway, you should park as far to the left as you can and leave the vehicle by the near side door. If you're on a smart motorway, you should stop in an emergency refuge area. Don't attempt even simple repairs. Use the emergency telephone and phone for assistance. While waiting for assistance to arrive, wait near your car, keeping well away from the carriageway and hard shoulder. What restrictions apply to Category B provisional license holders? A. They can't drive with passengers in rear seats. B. They can't drive over 15 miles per hour. C. They can't drive at night. D. They can't drive unaccompanied. The correct answer is D. They can't drive unaccompanied. Explanation. Motorways mustn't be used by pedestrians, motorcyclists who hold provisional entitlement for the motorcycle they're riding, riders of motorcycles under 50 cc, cyclists, horse riders, agricultural vehicles, powered wheelchairs, powered mobility scooters, certain slow-moving vehicles and those carrying oversized loads, except by special permission.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe UK Learning's YouTube channel. Share with your friends and family. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get more videos. Your support will encourage us to make more videos. We wish you all the best for your exam.